Okay, now you probably get a better look at the lake field down here. There's a stream going along there.
You may travel from Casserly's down to the bridge, from O'Brien's up to Lynch's the square. But where would you see a fine widow like me, Mrs. Conway from sweet Cooraclare? Me boys.
The creamery here, now there were 4 creameries in Cooraclare at one point in very
that I saw one Christmas Eve.
firmly tied to Siulóid le Seanan at the name of Senan Lillis. Squeezes from my hot lips. Let's go.
It's a message from heaven to sweet Cooraclare. It's a message from heaven to sweet Cooraclare.
Lovely, George. I need 2 horses, and there was bells on one of the horses. When my grandfather got the forage down there, that was given to him by Molly Spellacy. So Kevin did it up as a
Dreams come true within your lifetime to see a big and better Cooraclare. But keep your ways, your customs and your people, and from the locals here, God bless you and your care.
Lovely. As I said, for Tom Maxwell, but he also had Darcy Shop for a little while as well. And it was only one of 2 non-thatched houses in the village. This one and Frawley's O'Keefe. The rest, everything else was thatched. And that, I'm assuming, is the reason why Cooraclare is known as the Siulóid City.
Dreams I love to ramble down a village street and meet the boys and girls gathered for to sing the good old songs, telling of old Ireland's wrongs. Around the chapel gates in Cooraclare.
Thanks everybody for coming.